is it that blocks intimacy in relationships? First of all, what is emotional intimacy? Emotional intimacy is where we feel safe expressing our emotions, our needs, and our boundaries. We feel heard and seen, and we feel this connection between us and our partner. Some things that can affect this connection are, number one, emotional baggage from past relationships. If you have trust issues from past relationships, for example, you may bring this energy into your current relationship, and this will block intimacy. The second one is lack of trust, and lack of trust can come from past relationships or it can come from childhood experiences. It's really important to heal childhood experiences and past relationships so that you can trust yourself and then you're able to trust another. Number three is the fear of vulnerability. We are so scared to be vulnerable because we think vulnerability is weakness. But actually vulnerability is our strength, and it's the only way we will experience true intimacy in relationships. Number four, it's poor communication. We need to have an assertive type of communication, not aggressive, not passive, and definitely not passive aggressive. When you communicate assertively and firmly, but with kindness and compassion, then you are received better by the other person. You then feel more heard, understood, and seen by your partner. And it's also important to make your partner feel safe for them to express themselves, their emotions, their needs, and their boundaries too. And number five is conflicting needs and expectations. You and your partner may have different needs and different expectations from the relationship. This needs to be communicated, and you both need to be on the same page if you want to move forward. Other factors from the outside of the relationship that can affect the intimacy are stress and financial issues and any mental health conditions as well.